we have our traditional leg kick, and then we have our traditional wrestling. That's part of our tradition and culture. And then MMA is coming up, and you will find lots of traditional martial artists, taekwondo, jiu-jitsu, and host lots. But this one right here, for me, is the best. So I joined this gym.
If you still have not seen the intensity of an MMA match, then let's take you through a match between MMA fighters Raghu from Delhi and Shantanu from Mumbai. Every fighter enters the ring with confidence of knocking out the opponent in less time. But only one fighter will be the last man standing. In this match, you see Raghu being aggressive initially with fierce punches and strikes. Raghu from the beginning is keen to destroy his opponent and is seen charging at him at every opportunity. But in the second round, Shantanu makes a comeback with a blinding kick to his opponent and grapples Raghu as much as possible to pin him down. The third round again is a close battle between the fighters, which eventually ends in a draw. We caught up with the fighters after the fight, and this is what they had to say. No choreography, no drama. All you saw inside that ring was intense fight, and these two guys have beaten each other to the pulp, and finally it was a draw. Delhi man, Raghu.
Yeah.
How does it feel? I saw you, I mean, in the initial rounds we saw, you were so intense, you were giving those punches. What were you thinking when you got inside that ring?
ये फाइट सिर्फ मैंने अपने कोच के लिए किया है, जिनका नाम सिद्धार्थ है। वो क्रोस 10 में कोचिंग, मतलब उन्हीं का क्रोस 10 है। बस मैं उन्हें यही बताना चाहता था, सर मैं ट्रेनिंग ना करूं फिर भी मैं फाइट खेल सकता हूं, बट आप ट्रेन कराओगे तो मैं किसी भी लेवल को अचीव कर सकता हूं।
ओके, ऑलराइट। आपका जो पंच था ना इनिशियली, बहुत पंचेस मारे थे मुंह पे, तो वो आपका स्ट्रेटेजी था या क्या था वो?
ना, मेरे को बस अपने सिद्धार्थ याद, मेरे अपने कोच याद आ गया कि सिद्धार्थ सर अगर मैं बढ़िया फाइट खेलता हूं तो मुझे वापस ट्रेनिंग पे लेंगे और मुझे कुछ लेवल अचीव करवाएंगे।
अच्छा, आप अभी क्या ट्रेन नहीं कर रहे आपको?
ना, मैं पिछले 1.5 साल से ट्रेनिंग नहीं कर रहा हूँ।
सिद्धार्थ सर, अगर आप ये शो देख रहे हैं, प्लीज रघु को वापस लीजिए। आपके मेमोरी में इसने एक बढ़िया फाइट दिया। लेट्स टॉक टू शांतनु, यू आर फ्रॉम मुंबई। शांतनु, इनिशियली वी didn't see your action too much, but in the end, the second round, I saw the kick you gave to this man on the head. That was intense. What was the thought like when you're getting the initial blows by Raghu?
There wasn't any thoughts, but I wasn't expecting it.
Okay, you were expecting
I
it.
wasn't expecting it.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then what made you give that kick to the head? Almost like a great comeback in the second round.
It was like a muscle memory. I've been practicing it a lot, and
Okay.
निकल जाता है.
It just comes out.
It comes out, yes.
Okay.
So it wasn't.
Now MMA is all about reality and all about intense fights. We see you guys bruised. There's a, if you can see here, he's got a big bruise on his head, almost like it's bleeding here, and you can also see Raghu's nose almost blown. So what is? I mean, in the ring you're like enemies. You're like India, Pakistan. But otherwise you're friends. How does it work?
No, I mean.
बस रिंग के अंदर कोई किसी का दोस्त, कोई किसी का भाई नहीं होता, बट अगर मैं उसे नहीं मारता तो जाहिर सी बात है कि मैं एम्बुलेंस में बैठा मिलता सबको।
Okay.
Yeah.
And what about you?
It's the beauty of mixed martial arts is this, like, it's martial arts. So we respect each other because he's training and I'm training.
Okay.
So we know it takes hard work to come inside the ring. So we have this equal respect for each other because we both train hard.
Okay.
So it's not like WWE that, we're faking it out, we'll be aggressive. Why, man?
The fans, the friends, and all your girlfriends will love you because you guys are powerful fighters. But I think the most amount of concern will come from your families. Because they'll be very worried about, what happens to your head. You're always injured. What do your parents tell you?
For parents in Mumbai and parents in India, I think they don't really know the sport. Okay. So it gets really confusing for them. Like, what is mixed martial arts? I don't know what, they think it's boxing. But they don't know, like, this is mixed martial arts, this is coming new India. we have a future in this. They want us to be like, you know, MBA, or they want us to go to law school. So now they're coming to know this is mixed martial arts, and this is our training is as equal as army men.
रघु, आपके पिता या माँ आपको आपके बारे में ये ख्याल नहीं आता, अरे मेरा बेटा मार खा रहा है, सबको मार रहा है, तो दे नॉट वरीड, क्या बोलते हो आपको?
वो सब यही बोलते हैं कि कुछ काम कर लो, क्या रखा है फाइट में, अपनी चोट टुटवा के, मतलब हाँ टांग वांग टुटवा के घर में बैठे रहते हो 6-7 महीने। मेरा कहना यही है, सबको बचपन से ट्रेन करोगे तो कभी चोट खाने की नौबत ही नहीं आएगी, और सबको स्पोर्ट्स में जाना चाहिए। और हम जैसे एमएमए बहुत प्लेयर बड़े इंडिया के अंदर, बस उन्हें मौका दीजिए।
रघु, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर स्पीकिंग टू अस, डूड, यू गाइस आर ट्रू हीरोज। एक मुहावरा है, खून पसीना एक करके काम करने के लिए, these guys represent that muhavra, and what intensity these guys fight with. I mean, MMA is really picking up in India. Let's go see who are the next fighters in this Yodha Fighting Championship.
Well, not all fights last this long. Sometimes there are fighters who are just aiming to punch the living daylights out of their opponents. Take a look at this match. The fighters walk in with silence and composure.